Hi everyone, my name is Marina and today's video is going to be an eye makeup tutorial on how to do a kind of half cut crease with a hooded lids. As you can see, I got the hoods, and I thought I'd do a bright one as well because I love bright colours. I do like neutral, but brights really pop on my lids, so I've used a bit of pink, a bit of purple, a bit of glitter as well. So yes, also I have not filmed a tutorial in so long, so please bear with me for like the voiceover and everything. Also, this is one of those looks where it literally does not look complete and good until the last minute when the lashes go on. So if you think, girl, you look like you've been punched in the eye, please just keep on watching because this is going to be the end result. So anyway, I hope you enjoy. If you do, please click the subscribe button and the little bell next to it to be notified when I upload a video. I would really appreciate that, and I really hope you enjoy. Comment down below your favourite colour eyeshadow to wear, and I will see you in my next video. So I'm starting off with the Urban Decay Eden eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to put this all over my eyelids, blend it out with a brush so it's spread evenly, and then I'm just going to set that with an eyeshadow that is a similar shade to my skin tone. Next, I'm taking the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm taking this pink here on a nice big fluffy brush, and I'm going to disperse this through my crease and just on my outer corner, and I'm trying to get a nice rounded shape. So I'm just doing small circular motions, just buffing this through my crease to get a nice shape and disperse the colour. So next I'm going to take the slightly brighter pink up the top, just on the same brush, just because I really want this to be nice and bright, and I'm just doing exactly the same thing, just small circular motions, really getting the colour in there. Next I'm taking this palette from Juvias Place, and I'm taking this like purpley colour on a Zoeva brush, and then it's coming up really pink in the camera, but it was more kind of berry toned, and then I'm just again deepening up the colours and making it brighter, just putting this slightly under. I'm not taking this one all the way up. And then I'm taking this purple shimmery shade, and my attempt for this was to put it on my outer corner and then just slightly through the crease, but a lot lower than the pink. This shade was really hard to actually get stuck onto my lid. I did want to use more of a matte, but I literally don't have a matte purple in this shade, so I was trying to use this one, but it was not going to plan. But I ended up covering most of this when I cut the crease anyway, so you don't particularly have to do this, or you could take it slightly higher. And then I'm just blending the pink in just to blend them both together and add a bit more colour because some of it was taken away. So yes, blend. So just keep adding the pink until you're happy with how bright it is and with the shape as well. And then I do just blend the edges as well with a nice clean brush. And then I'm taking the purple from the NYX Ultimate Brights palette and just trying to intensify that purple. But like I said, I do kind of cover it, so I would probably take this higher, or you can skip this step and then add it later, whatever you prefer. So next I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in the shade C4 if you are wondering, and I'm going to use this to cut my crease. So I'm popping a little bit on the back of my hand, and then as soon as I've cut the crease I'm going to use this shade Giza from the Juvias Place palette. So for this I'm using the No7 brush, and I'm popping a little bit of the concealer on my lid and then just opening my eye, and that way the concealer will kind of stick to where my eyes open, just so I have a guideline. And then I'm just making sure there's enough product on my brush, and then just following the shape and packing it all over my lid, and then just kind of cutting the crease. Sorry, you can't really see on this eye, but just follow it round. And it's really important to have a stiff brush for this, so you do get the nice crisp edge. Not that mine is that crisp, but you know. And then I'm literally going straight on with that gorgeous shimmery colour, just to set that in place because I didn't want it to start creasing or anything. And then I'm just going to do exactly the same on the other eye. So just put the concealer on the lid, look up, and then it's kind of a nice guideline. I think my eyes are different shapes because this one came out a lot lower, so I did just wiggle my brush and make it a little bit higher than what it was when I opened my eye, just to make them both even. And then I like to sweep it rather than do a little bit at a time, apart from on the edge when I was trying to clean it up a little bit there. And then just patch up what you need to and try and get them as even as possible. But well and truly, if you have hooded eyes, when your eyes are open, it's not going to be that noticeable. So yeah, just packing on that lovely gorgeous shimmery shade. I topped up the pink a little bit, and then I'm taking that purple again on a small pencil brush and just popping that on my very outer corner, just to add some definition and colour. Next I'm taking the NYX glitter primer, and then I'm taking a iridescent white glitter from NYX as well. Sorry, I had to think about what I was doing then. So I'm just going to pat that all over my lid, and then pat the glitter just on top of the shimmery shade, not taking it over to the purple. I think this is really going to add some pizzazz. Is that even a word? Do people say that anymore? But yeah, it just adds a bit of bling and it makes it really pretty, I find anyway. Next I'm taking the highlighter from Mary Lou, the Mary Luminizer, and I'm just using this as my inner corner highlight for now. And then I'm going to take the Sleek palette and take the gold highlighter and just use that on my inner corners as well. I'm going to take the No7 Lash Impact Ultra Mascara and just use this as a base on my top lashes. I absolutely love this mascara. I popped off camera, did my lashes and my eyeliner, and now I'm taking the Soap and Glory Smolder Kohl and putting that on my waterline. These are the Sosu lashes in the shade Dubai, not shade, in the style Dubai. Then I'm just taking the pink and purple I used earlier and putting this under my lower lash line. I'm applying some more of the No7 mascara to my lower lashes just to pull everything together, and then that is my finished look. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, please subscribe and check out my social media down below. And yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.